tongue wag. Oh, good girl. Go right over that tippy board.
So the story of the camera.
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, let me see. I want to see. Oh, ow, that had to hurt.
That'll leave a mark.
Oh.
Oh, Acorn, that was too cute. Oh, Orange boy.
Come on, Acorn, get up. Yay. Oh, I want him to walk across that. The grass is too high.
Oh.
That's called the butt lift move.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That was cute. I love that wobble board.
You know, and on the hard surface, it moves all that much more.
Well, and I like them when they make noise, like the
Right.
seesaw inside.
Mm-hmm.
All right, hold on. All right,